Welcome back to our channel, Wapmates. Today, we're diving deep into the world of web design. Specifically, magpo-focus tayo on one of its most fundamental elements, typography. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, this beginner's guide is packed with essential information that will take your web design skills to the next level. So, let's get started! Before we jump into the nitty-gritty details, let's start with the basics muna. So what exactly is typography? So typography is the art of choosing and arranging fonts for websites. In other words, it breathes life into the text while helping design a visually appealing user interface. Every text on a screen has its own typeface, shaping the personality, the tone, and the visual layout of a website. But first, let's clear up a common misconception about typeface and font differences. So font versus typeface muna tayo, okay? So pag sinabi nating typeface, it is an entire family of fonts of different weights. So we have examples here, Lato, Poppins, Open Sans, marami pa yan. May Georgia, may Arial, Times New Roman, so on and so forth. While font is a member of a typeface. So remember, Lato is a typeface. Pag sinabi nating font, for example, Lato Thin, Lato Extra Light, Lato Light, Lato Regular. So I hope you understand this explanation and example. So meron pa tayong another example here. So we have a typeface Avenir. So pag sinabi nating font, we have Avenir Thin, Avenir Light Oblique, Avenir Book, so on and so forth. Now, let's explore the 5 main type of typefaces na may encounter mo on the web. Number 1, we have the Serif typeface. So this is with decorative strokes at the end of their characters. If you're going to check the letter S, letter E, R, I, F, meron siyang tail. And if we're going to talk about the personality kung saan siya mag-fit, this is timeless, traditional, and respectful. And for you to visualize, I have an example here. This is a hero section of Asaro website. Yan, so credit to the source. As you can see, yung ginamit niya na headline, yung adventure to imagine, it is a serif typeface. Next is sans serif typeface. On the other hand, are clean and straightforward. So basically, when you say sans, it means without tails siya compared sa serif kanina. Ang personality naman niya, it is casual, modern, and simple. We do have another example here. Yan. So we have a website, nothing. Yan. So get nothing yung source natin. So kung mapapansin nyo, meron siyang ginamit dito na sans serif typeface. As you can see, if you're going to compare that with the serif typeface, wala siyang tails sa characters. And we have yung slab serif typeface. So this one, it is characterized by thick block-like serifs. Ang personality ng slab serif, this is bold, simple, and strong. And for you to appreciate it more, we have another example. Yan. So, ginamit siya sa isang picture ng isang boxer, no? Sa boxing na sports. You can use this more of like sa fitness, and again, sa mga sports and stuff. Basta, ang personality niya, it represents bold, simple, and strong. We also have display typeface. So, madalas to ginagamit for headlines and creative designs. So, ang personality naman niya, it's friendly, expressive, and amusing. Yan. So let's have another example. Yan. So display the typography series. Again, we have source here, 3 rooms. And last is we do have the handwriting typeface. So often resembling a handwritten style. Nandun na actually yung term niya, the term handwriting. Ginagamit tong handwriting na typeface for ang personality niya is elegant, creative, and decorative. And we have another example here, a hero section of a website, Island. Yan. So credit tayo sa source nating sa Medium. So we design beautiful websites. As you can see yan, so parang sinulat siya. It's handwritten yung headline na we design beautiful websites. In the digital design world, itong typography is the palette that colors the canvas of the web. So each typeface tells a unique story, setting the tone and mood of your content. Remember, whether it's the timeless elegance of serif, the clean modernity of sans serif, or the bold creativity of display, your choice of typeface shapes the user's experience. Again, it's all about the user's experience. Let these typefaces be your guides as you set out on your design journey so that you can create beautiful, educational, and memorable digital experiences. So there you have it, our beginner's guide to typography basics and web design. So you just have to remember na yung typography can make or break a website. Yung pagmaster ng fundamentals are essential. And if you found this video helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell para you stay updated on web design. Also, let us know in the comment section if you want to see more in-depth tutorials on typography or other web design topics. Your feedback matters, Wapmates. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video. Happy designing, everyone. Bye-bye.